everyone, welcome to Veganaire. My name's Tamsin Putman and today I'm going to be sharing with you the Hemp Glow Face Cream. So this is what it looks like in the pot, and you only need a small amount because a small amount goes a long way, and you just only need a dab like that, and you're just going to rub that in to your fingers to melt it slightly. So when you don't have any makeup on your face, make sure that you really cleanse, you've got all the makeup out of your pores, and I would suggest that you use this cream at night time because it's a very luxurious, nutritious cream and you want to let it sink into your skin overnight. So okay, I've melted that into my fingers and I'm just going to press it into my skin. Now this has got a lot of ingredients packed into it. We've got olive oil, avocado oil, geranium oil, lavender oil, citronella leaf oil, hemp seed oil, obviously, vitamin E, and shea nut butter. So it smells divine. It smells of meadows. It's really beautiful. You can smell the citronella oil in there as well. So this is really good for acne because it stops the overproduction of oils in your skin. It's really good also for blemishes and scarring. Now, all the products with Veganaire are certified organic and completely cruelty-free and 100% vegan, obviously. So I'm just going to let that sink into my skin. I don't know if you can see that on my skin. I haven't got any foundation on today. I've only got eye makeup on and some lip balm, so what you see is what you get. I wouldn't use it underneath your makeup because it's very luxurious cream and it's really designed to nourish your skin and heal your skin. So I would put this on at night time and let it work its magic overnight. So that's all we have time for today, guys. Thank you for joining me and I will see you again on the next video.